A lot of time is that yes, I do believe that there's a place for birth control. I will not say that we should not use it, but at the end of the day, we still need to address the root cause. What caused the hormonal imbalance? What caused the stress? What caused the toxin exposure? And how do we strengthen the function of the organ so that we can fulfill the need and really make us healthy? Of course, there are other reasons such as nutrition deficiency or nutritional imbalance or stress or toxin exposure. However, when we put it in the TCM perspective, it's related to our meridian and our organ, our 脏腑 organ. Our reproductive organ or our fertility is liver, spleen, and kidney. The hormone in TCM perspective is that it's a living force to function, especially that nourish and help to support our reproductive system. In TCM perspective, we can call it as kidney essence, kidney qi, liver qi, spleen qi, and liver blood. These essence, qi, and blood, they nourish the meridian into our reproductive organ, especially for women. In Chinese medicine, we call it the fetal palace. So meaning that it's a palace for fetus, for the fetus to grow. The flow of qi in these two meridians dominates the health of our menstruation, our reproductive organ. It's a combination. When a woman is infertile, is facing infertility, actually we need to consider, are we having enough liver blood? Is our liver qi smooth? Do we have enough liver kidney qi and kidney essence? That's the foundation of our life. And is our spleen qi, spleen blood, they are on block and they are nourishing the whole body, especially our reproductive organ. Other thing that is also just as important is that, is there any stagnation or blood stasis on the Chong and Ren meridian? Nowadays, as we know it, I would not call it a low stress living environment. A lot of time we put so much effort on work, building a career, self-development. So a lot of time it comes with stress, and the stress can cause the qi stagnation in the meridian. With the stagnation, the liver qi cannot be soothed and it cannot flow freely. With the stagnation from liver qi in the channel, it can also affect the spleen. Spleen's capability of producing, transforming, transporting our essence, nutrient, qi, and blood to the system, especially when we need to nourish our reproductive organ. Don't forget, we talk about the kidney qi and kidney essence. Kidney qi and kidney essence, you can see it as our hormonal organ and our nerve system as well. There's a deficiency in certain hormone that causes the imbalance. A lot of women take it because not just for the birth control reason, and of course it's more complicated than that. But when it's taken because there's some underlying imbalance of the hormone, I think the most underlying issue in menstruation, such as PCOS, endometriosis, or polyps, fibroids, it's not really addressed as a root cause, because the root cause can be too much stress, too much exposure to the toxin, or poor detoxification of the system. If we look at it from a Chinese medicine perspective, is that, again, soothe out the qi flow in the meridian, detox from the toxin by eliminating the toxin, which require the strengthening of spleen and stomach. A lot of time is that yes, I do believe that there's a place for birth control. I will not say that we should not use it, but at the end of the day, we still need to address the root cause. What caused the hormonal imbalance? What caused the stress? What caused the toxin exposure? And how do we strengthen the function of the organ so that we can fulfill the need and really make us healthy? Using acupuncture, not just acupuncture, also Chinese medicine, to treat infertility, we need to look at, is it deficiency? Is it stagnation? Is it blood stasis? Is it excess or toxin, heat toxin, that is causing these problems? It's not hard to, let's say, a woman that comes in with infertility issue that also have irregular period. Within 3 cycles, we can see a good improvement on the menstrual flow. We can see a quality of the menstruation and a decrease of pain. A lot of time, it's probably going to take longer. And I would expect that within like probably more than 6 months is something that we can expect. It doesn't mean that everybody it's gonna take 6 months. Some people might be shorter, some people might be longer, but it's a big job to welcome a life into this world. So I think patience is the key. Paying attention to your body, paying attention to the nutrition, reduce the stress. They are all important in this journey. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow me, and I'll see you soon.